Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Elma if you're new here. I can't believe it's already 2019. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys some of my current plant obsessions. I have some books to share with you guys, some pottery that I'm obsessed with. If you are interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's start off with books because that is what I'm obsessed with currently. Now, you guys know I do the majority of my research online. I like to read about care tips, soil requirements, light requirements, and like watering needs for all of my plants. But I do enjoy a good book here and there, and I found two really great books on Amazon. So if you are interested, then I'll link all of the information below in the description box. But the first book that I have is called Living with Plants, A Guide to Indoor Gardening by Sophie Lee. And the reason why I got this book is because of the cover. It's just so beautiful. I love the picture. I love, if you notice that it's in rose gold, and even like the writing is in rose gold. The spine of the book is white and it has like the rose gold detail right there also. And you guys, the pages are pink. Look at this. Isn't that the most beautiful book? Oh my gosh. And then the back looks like this. So the book alone is absolutely beautiful. The content is actually really great as well. What I like about this book is it has really cool like how-to DIY ideas. They're like small little projects that you could do at home. One of the examples that I'll share with you guys without giving away too much is how to make a macrame plant hanger. So here's what it looks like. Also about the book is it tells you exactly what materials you'll need, and then it has a step-by-step instruction as well as visuals to show you how to make it. So here's an example. But I just really love this book. In addition, it kind of goes over some tips and tricks, some techniques and tools that you'll need. It has plant care instructions, styling guide, and it kind of also goes over the different types of plants and what the care instructions are, their requirements. Just a really great book. I haven't read it all the way through. I've just kind of browsed through it so far because I started reading the other book, which I'll show you shortly. But really great book, and it's just beautiful, and I can't wait to style this in my space as well. Next book, it's called Leaf Supply, A Guide to Keeping Happy Houseplants, and this is from Lauren Camilleri and Sophia Kaplan. It looks like this. This one I love. This is like my vibe right here. I love the colors. It's matte with like the letters that says Leaf Supply has like a little sheen to it. I love that. Really like minimal spine with the green letters. And the best part, you guys, are the pages. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And then the back looks like this. I love the visuals, the photographs, the way the book is like laid out. It's got a lot of like mid-century vibes to it, but here's like, I don't know if you can see that, but really, you guys, I really love this book so much. And when you style them together, so it looks like that. So really minimal, that's what I like about it because the book itself is white. And then look at this. Isn't that so pretty? It's so gorgeous. Like imagine this sitting on my bookshelf back there. It's gonna be so cute. So Leaf Supply. This book is really big on styling techniques and like how to group your plants together and you know ways that you can style them. like on your bookshelf and things like that. It also takes you on like a tour inside people's homes, and they show you like how they style their spaces. And then it also has a bunch of plant care tips as well, and they also categorize their plants. They go over like your more traditional plants that are available in most like local nurseries, and then they also touch base on some of the more rare plants and really like those popular plants that you see so often on Instagram, and just like plant care tips on those as well. So I really love this book. I started this one, and this is the book that I read first, and it just, so far I really love it, and I think it's going to be really informative just to keep on hand and also to style my bookshelf. The next couple things that I have are potteries. So I've been really obsessed with CB2, and they have a wide selection of pottery, and I picked up 2 potteries from there. The first one is this. I've been wanting this one for a long time. It's been on my wish list for quite a while, and it's just such a beautiful plant or planter. The only thing is this will only fit a 4-inch pot. It won't fit a 6-inch pot because the hole on the top is quite small. Let me grab a plant so you can kind of see what it will look like. Okay, so let's grab this Pelia. And it won't be this one. I haven't decided yet like what plant to put in here. There's no drainage hole, but you guys know I usually keep my plants in nursery pots. But look, isn't that pretty? So cute. I love it. I love this one, you guys. And I'll leave links for you guys if you're interested in the same planter. I'll leave a link so that you can see if you're interested in getting it. Also from CB2, and looks like that. So it's gold and gray. How cute. Look at that. I'm just like obsessed with like, it's just so pretty. I love it. Same thing with this one. It's gonna need like a 4-inch pot or smaller. It's not gonna fit a 6-inch pot because the hole is too small. There's no drainage hole in this one as well, but it's just really cute. I haven't decided what plant to put in this one yet, but I can't wait to style this one. It's so pretty, and I'm just so obsessed. I think these pots, I don't remember exactly how much they were, but they were pretty affordable, and they're really cute too. Okay, so the last thing I wanted to share with you guys is a well, it's not a propagation setup, but I picked this up at Michael's. What was it? I think it was during Halloween. I'll try to look for it online and see if I can find it. If I can, I'll link it down below in the description box if you guys are interested. But I saw it and I thought, oh my gosh, this would be so perfect for propagations. It comes in these test tubes, and the chemistry test tubes, and you just remove this, fill it with water, and then you can put your propagations in there. So I thought it was so cute and perfect for what I need. And I like the wood is a light color. I mean, it's not the best quality. It's it's from Michael's, and I think it was only $7 with a coupon, but it's just the cutest thing, and I just love it so much. So you could just take these guys off, and it's really easy to remove the test tubes in and out. So I love that. It's glass, so you do have to be careful, but how cute is that? I love it. So yeah, that's everything that I have today. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment below. And if you have any books that you guys would recommend or that you've read and that you really thought was informative, leave me a comment below and let me know, and I can definitely look into it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you. I don't know if you guys can see me. Can you? Yeah. Okay. So I could put it here. Let me move my chair so you guys can have a better view. I'll show you guys what it looks like, the top shelf, but I was thinking of either putting it here, like this, and I don't really line it up like flush. I like to kind of, can you tell I rotate it a little bit? Oh, can you see? Not really. I'll bring you guys closer. So I was thinking something like this. What do you guys think? Either that, or I could put it on the middle shelf. So let me do that. Put it here, I'm thinking. So, and I can even show, I could show the page. Can you guys see? And let's put my phone back. Okay, I think I like that way better. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Should I do option 1, which was on the bottom shelf here, or option 2, which is up there? Let me show you guys what it looks like really quick up close. Hold on.